Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, as of 2024, if you are looking for computer software that can clean up your system and free up space, I highly recommend Microsoft PC Manager. It is the best choice for Windows systems. I will step by step to show you how to download Microsoft PC Manager and use it. Now, let's get started. Firstly, go to pcmanager.microsoft.com. The link you can find in the description below. You can see the download button and notice it is compatible with Windows 10 and Windows 11. The features including boosting your PC, managing your storage, pop-up management, health checkup, antivirus protection, toolbox, and mini toolbar. Now, back to the Microsoft PC Manager and click on Download, and then click Get to start the download. After downloading, click on the Open button. You'll see the Microsoft PC Manager welcome screen. Start automatically when signing into Windows. I am okay, this is up to you. Then click on the Start button. Click Try it out to use Toolbox, it's up to you. Enable access to the toolbox and show the toolbar on the desktop. Yes. Adjust toolbox settings according to your preference, showing the toolbar on the desktop. Click Yes to confirm. Let's find out more about this and how to use it. You can see the PC Manager interface here. It is very simple and clear. You can see the little PC Manager icon in the taskbar. Okay, now let's see the left side panel and what they have. Here you can see Home, Protection, Storage, Apps, Toolbox, Settings, and Feedback. Let me step by step explain to you all the features. Firstly, let's see the home page, PC Booster. To boost things up, you can simply click on this Boost button down here, and it automatically reduces the RAM usage on your computer, making it really smooth. It fixes a lot of performance issues. After boosting, you can see information about memory usage and temporary files. You can also set Smart Boost here, which triggers when there is high RAM usage or more than 1 GB of temporary files. PC Manager will automatically boost your PC. Set your shortcuts settings here or restore default settings. In the general settings, you can choose Start PC Manager automatically when you sign into Windows or not. Next, for language settings, only English and Chinese are available to choose from. You can choose the simplified Chinese or traditional Chinese version. Next is the About Us. You can see the current version, and you can also visit the PC Manager website to get more information. The next feature here is the PC Health Check, which provides suggestions to improve your PC's performance. You can also disable unwanted startup applications that you do not want to open when your computer boots up. Select Actions to proceed, click on Proceed, and it will initiate the cleanup of tasks that are needed. Health check completed. Computer looks good, no issues. Then, click Done. Now let's go next. Process. Process management involves ending unused processes to make your system run faster. Close apps that you are not currently using. The next feature is Deep Cleanup. It essentially scans and discards unnecessary files. Select the items you want to clean up and click the Proceed button. This feature informs you about things you can delete from your computer to enhance performance. Click Done when the cleanup is completed. Next, check for startup apps. Turn off unnecessary apps to speed up the boot process. Next, the protection section, specifically System Protection. Simply click on Scan to check for malware and viruses. In the Windows Update section, you'll receive information about upcoming or pending updates on your computer. Click on Update to quickly update your Windows from here. Moving on to default browser settings, you can set your default browser. For taskbar repair, you can restore the taskbar appearance or reset default toolbars. You can also restore default apps, meaning reset default apps to open files. In pop-up management, the tool blocks malicious apps or changes made by them, as well as process advertising pop-ups. It's recommended to turn this on to protect your computer from viruses. In storage, the storage management has Deep Cleanup. Click it and it will perform a full cleanup scan. Select the items you want to clean up and click Proceed. When the cleanup is completed, it will show you how much space has been freed on your drive. Click on Manage Large Files. For example, choose files larger than 1 GB in categories like document, video, and photos, etc. It can help you find them immediately. Next, Storage Sense. Storage Sense automatically cleans up temporary files. You can arrange it as needed. Next, the apps, already explained before. Just manage your apps. And next is discovering Windows apps. Following is the toolbox, including Windows and web tools. You can choose to show the toolbar on the desktop by simply clicking on the button. You can find out which tools you are going to use. Everyone is different. Settings have already been explained. And the feedback section is for problem solving. The most important part is the system scan and Windows update. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to receive more related videos.